That is one of the grafts on my russet apple. It was done on 9th of April 2015 using the method saddle graft, and the variety is Kids Orange. Graft has started growing. On the same tree, that is Winter King. It is also called Winston as well. Method Z graft. The grafting has started to grow. That is another graft on the same tree. It is a cleft graft. The variety is Orleans Rennet, and that graft was done on 9th of April 2015. It has grown better than the other two. And it is growing in a much better way. On the same russet apple, I have grafted Cox-Pippin Orange, which hasn't grown yet. But the rest of the branch has a lot of apples. That is a Discovery variety. On the same tree, but on the other branch, I grafted in August last year. It was a saddle graft. The graft has grown. It has some apples on it as well. Originally there were 3 apples. I have reduced to 1. That is where it was grafted. That is still visible. There was another saddle graft of the same variety on the second branch of it. That graft has grown as well. On the same russet apple, there's another graft. It was a saddle graft, but now it has healed in such a nice way. It is very difficult to see where exactly the grafting joint is.